Alright, looks like, guys, this is Wakanda Forever game, huh? Dude, literally, like, I literally was, like, wearing my lovely crown and all that stuff. And, like, a dude came to me and was like, Wakanda for life, or I don't know, if there's, like, an emergency meeting or a body report. Dude, this is why I started recording, or, you know, Alright, let's see the chat, guys. Wakanda Forever, T'Challa. I'm sure it's not T'Challa. Wait, why does it look like this? I fixed the lights and I literally don't like to wear this. Don't get me wrong, guys, but I really don't. Wait. So I don't know where to go. Oh wait, I know. What's this? What? T'Challa, you're... Okay, never mind. I don't want to say it. I don't want to say that. T'Challa. Time to find another server with people. So yeah, it's pretty like this. Dude, I really don't want to... I think I watched this before. I don't remember. So yeah, Among Us... Yeah, get to... Is that blood? Hold on. What? Yo, what? Is Red the imposter? What? What? Oh. Tentacles? Really, dude? So imposters are only demons and stuff that little egg-looking bodies has like arms. That's stupid, but yeah. I think people are gonna die? I'm not sure. Oh god. Yellow died, which is my color. Is blue dead? What is he doing? Is he looking down like he's crying or something? I'm not sure. It's something like that, or he got killed by the front. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure. And if you're bigger than 13 or you're 30, please, under ages, like under 10 probably, you shouldn't watch this. You really shouldn't. Because this gore is actually a lot. I literally had a nightmare by this last night, but only like a minute. And by the music. Oh, wait. Is that... Wait. Is that possible? He took the CN to the vent. Well... if that was in Among Us, well, that'll be interestingly high, extremely hard to find bodies and report them. Oh, where'd the pink go? Never mind, I just saw the dead person. White, there's blood. And there's backstab. There's blood. Wow, dude. There's an eye. Oh my god. No. Shout out to this YouTuber right here. Alright, never mind that. Let's get back to the video. So yeah guys, if you're wondering why am I in this game right here, Pyrite's Adventure 2, well first, I want to get into Roblox right now. Pretty much a lot of videos that will never get views, maybe, even if the thumbnail, well, cause the game literally warned me not to go in the game until tomorrow, or it will keep erroring me or kicking me out of the server silent. And you know, time to do my favorite place, snow camp. Of all of the stages right here. And by the way, if my voice is not like Origin, you know, it is. As I say in the past once, it's me Origin. But a mic problem I have. Alright. I don't care. This is always going to be my favorite, even if this easy. I don't care if it's by easy. This is really smooth and awesomely done. Scratch that. No. Oh, my game's pretty laggy on my screen. I wonder if it's on the video one. That's why I'm holding it tab right. There you go guys, a part of the stages, and I already showed the boss fights. They're so easy too, so alright, I guess this, hold on, I'm gonna do a little 1 minute challenge, hold on. Hold on guys, and get this screen out of here. Alright, great. So, by the way, I just made this picture right here. I just got this image from Google and like done these for myself, of course, Origin like I am. And like the background is literally the YouTube thingy. And if you have a channel like this and if you want to do it, then you should go to Canva. That actually can make you a lot of stuff like design, like hold on, like this. Don't look at that. See, this is normally not this big. In Canva you can literally make things as you want. And yeah, and I made like some few